Join Lana Nelson, nutrition expert and pioneer of the food code system, at Helena's Body, Mind, Spirit, Health, and Wellness Expo on October 19th at 2 in the afternoon.
I've written a wonderful book called The Food Codes: Intuitive Eating for Everybody, because every person is totally different. In the food codes, I actually teach you how to do muscle testing. My teaching is about relationships with food, and then how to know what is your best food. You don't have to listen to anyone else. You can learn muscle testing in order to know what your best foods are. It's for professionals and beginners, and it's to teach you everything about muscle testing, basically, so you can be your own food professional, and teaching people how to basically get back to their relationship with food. And I explain more about that in my seminar and the book, but how to know what foods are good for you, not to listen to somebody on the web that says, oh, everybody should eat this, everybody should eat that. Those things keep going around, and find later that nobody should eat that and everybody should eat this. So boom, back and forth. You are different than anyone else, and different times in your life are different food needs. And using what I do and how I help people, you can help your child, you can help your aging parent, you can help your animal, and you can have the energy back to know what is good for you right now, today. And in that seminar, you will have personal instruction. We will have, helping each other. We'll have working with each other, and pretty much how to use many different types of muscle testing or dowsing, how to do it with someone else, how to use it personally. So that in a little bit of a nutshell there.
Lana Nelson's presentation will start at 2 p.m. To purchase your ticket, click the link below now.